you don't make these people happy, it ripens into a petition for discipline.
With one of the attorneys off the Vanderbilt rape case for now, what does it mean for the upcoming trial? Good evening, everyone. I'm Eric Egan.
And I'm Samantha Fisher. A complaint from a few years ago will keep John Herbison from participating in the trial. News 2's Chris Bungard has been looking into the impact of this highly charged case.
The state's written response invites the court to ignore reality.
John Herbison has been a familiar voice in motions hearings defending Brandon Vandenburg, one of 4 ex-Vanderbilt football players charged with raping an unconscious female student. But Herbison will be silent when the trial begins January 12th.
We entered into an agreed disposition that he would be suspended for 60 days but reinstated without the need of petitioning the court for reinstatement.
Herbison's fellow Vandenburg defense attorney and law partner, Fletcher Long, said it was the settlement of an old client complaint against Herbison in a separate case that led to the 60-day law suspension by the Tennessee Supreme Court Responsibility Board.
If you don't make these people happy, it ripens into a petition for discipline.
Long explained why Herbison's suspension won't delay the start of the trial for Vandenburg and fellow former Vanderbilt football player Corey Beatty. Herbison was behind pretrial motions, which are essentially finished.
John's always important, but we're really through the phase of his critical importance with the defense of Mr. Vandenburg.
Long and Herbison are also lawyers for Jason Autry, who is one of 2 young men charged with murdering and kidnapping Holly Bobo. But no delay is expected there either, because Herbison is not one of the principal lawyers.
Mr. Flanagan and I were principally hired to provide that particular defense. John has participated in that defense because he's a member of this firm.
Herbison preferred to remain silent on his suspension. Chris Bungard, Nashville's News 2.
A trial date in the Holly Bobo case has not been set.